Yeah, it is. How are you guys feeling about the first show?
I'm feeling
really good.
Better, better, relieved, and I feel like I can go and do it again
Ready
now.
for the second show.
Yeah.
It went very well. No massive dramas. Other than me calling Sneezy Rachel. But I think
no, but it was funny because I came back on stage.
It's Rachel.
It's Rachel.
Sneezy.
Yeah.
It was funny because we made a bit of joke of it. So,
Yeah, but
well,
other than that,
Good day.
it was good. Really good show. Okay with the driving. We got
yeah,
got
that
it.
was
We
a
got
bit
it.
of a
sat nav. It was the sat nav. It wasn't me. It wasn't me. But yeah, great show, and we got another show after lunch. So bring it on. Sunday the 28th, 29th? Who knows? I've lost track. Anyway, it's the Sunday that we leave to start our tour around Italy. I'm very excited. It's going to be so much fun. So we are supposed to be leaving around 11 AM. We need to finish packing the car, and it's going to be me that's driving. I'm driving us to Verona, which is 4 hours away from here, so that'll be interesting. I've obviously never really driven in a foreign country before, but over the past 3 weeks of rehearsals, we've also been having a few kind of like driving testers just to see what it's like to drive on Italian roads and things like that, because it's obviously very different from England. The streets are a lot smaller and kind of people kind of do what they want to do. Obviously it's on the other side of the road that you drive on. So it's gone really well, and also I drove to our trial show, which you will have seen previously, and that went very well, so I'm hoping that it goes okay. Obviously it's a longer drive. We'll be going on the Autostrada, the motorway, which is fine. I'm really excited to just get going. I think that was my phone. It's really miserable today, which is not the best. So this is what it looks like outside. Yeah, a bit rainy. So not the best to be starting our tour on, but you know, what can you do? I've got my Toy Story nightie on from Primark. Super cute. It's only £5 by the way if you want to go get it. It says to infinity and beyond. Super cute. I've started, well, I say started. I obviously have pretty much done most of my packing. I mean, we're leaving in a few hours, but I have so much stuff. I can't get it all in. I don't know how I brought it here. To be fair, Agostina's mum did give me a lot of stuff once I got here as well. But I can't get it in. It's really upsetting me because I don't have to leave anything behind, which is really annoying. Anyway, I'm going to try and finish my packing, and then I'm going to head down to breakfast. And then it's time to pack our car with all of our personal belongings and stuff, and then it's time to go. So I will see if I can try and film everybody leaving and things like that. It's going to be really sad because we've got on really well with everybody the past 3 weeks, and now we've all got to say goodbye. So there's only four of us in my group, but we have a senior coming with us because Megan hurt her foot, as you probably will have seen previously in last week's video. Yeah, she hurt her foot on a rock on the beach. So we have to have a senior with us because she has to do our shows with us for the next week because Megan can't stand on her foot. I'll jump around and run and blah, blah, blah. So, yeah, we have Kate coming with us, which is fun as well. I really love Kate. It's going to be really good fun. So, yeah, I'm going to stop rambling and finish my packing. See you in a bit, guys.
Tell you